This is Nirman Shakir, and welcome to my Excel training for financial controllers. In this session, I'm gonna share with you some ideas to keep it in mind while you are dealing with Excel. As we discussed before, Excel worksheet is divided to more than 200 columns and divided to rows, which is more than 1 million. So imagine the amount of data that you can have in this amount of cells. It's really huge amount of data. So the first thing that I advise you to do while dealing with Excel, first thing is to deal with Excel as you are dealing with a person and communicate with Excel as you are communicating with a real person. Communicate with the language that that person understand and understand or learn the language that that person communicate to you. This will help you have a better results while you are dealing with Excel. In the following sessions, I will share with you how to communicate properly with Excel and how Excel communicate to you. The second thing is, while you are dealing with Excel, imagine that you have this big warehouse, those big warehouse that contains millions of items. Look at the section where you have the vegetables, section where you have the other hardware, refrigerators or electric generators, jewelries, and other objects. Do you notice the difference between the shelves that contain those items? The shelves that designed to contain or hold vegetables or fresh drinks, usually they have some cooling systems. Objects or shelves that contain or hold heavy items or big generators are designed differently. Also, shelves that contain jewelries and expensive items, also they are designed differently. They are protected and not accessible without a permission of a staff member. So while you are dealing with an Excel worksheet, imagine that you are dealing with this huge warehouse where shelves are organized and coded. Each shelf have a name, a code, and it's designed to hold certain items. Same concept, keep it in mind while you are designing or working with a worksheet. The content of the worksheet, it could be a text, could be numeric, could be a date format, a percentage. So you need to design each cell to accommodate that type of content. In the following sessions, we will do this together. The third idea is, as you see, the workbook contains many sheets, and we can increase as much as we need. The same as a regular or traditional notebook. Each paper is like a worksheet, and each sheet is divided to rows and columns. So keep those ideas in your mind while you are dealing with Excel and while you are designing the worksheet. In the following sessions, we will do this together.